3 functions, but more than 500 functions liver is doing daily. It is working restlessly. We take rest, but liver is working restlessly. It is a very special organ. Any other organ does not have these two speciality. One is it has the power of regeneration, and the second is it has double blood supply. One is from hepatic artery and one is from hepatic. The largest organ, largest gland. It weighs up to 1 kg to 2.3 kgs. It's differ from each person. It depends on each person. Its length is about 15 centimeter. Everything depends upon each person's. It plays in the upper right quadrant of our body. Between the right lobe and left lobe, there is a ligament present. It is falciform. Okay. Now one question. What is liver is also known as? We can also call liver as in one word. Okay, I'll say. We can also hepatic. We can call liver also hepatic. That's why the artery which carries to liver is called hepatic artery, and vein which carries is hepatic vein. Even the disease which causes liver is known as hepatitis. Now, what is the functional unit of liver?
Hepatic globules.
Globules, hepatic globules. Now, first imagine a bread. You all seen, right? If you cut that, you can see some small pores. In the same way, if you cut this liver, you can see small pores. It's made to arise. That small lobes is called lobules. It is in hexagon shape. The lobule is present, and here the three vessels in the corner of lobules. One is hepatic portal vein, one is bile duct, another hepatic artery, bile duct, and portal vein. The bile produced from the lobules, it carried out to the bile duct, and as usual the oxygenated blood carries to artery and all those processes. Before, if we are eating, just now we ate our lunch, right? After digestion, the blood which the oxygen or energy before transferring to our body goes to liver. The liver removes all the toxic substance from it. Now, we all know why they are telling that liquor is injurious to health means it has caused more damage to the liver. Our liver is working very hard to repair that. It is daily working. Even if 50% of the liver is also damaged, we can again our liver has that capability to regenerate that. It has a special power because it has some organ, some substance which has this kind of hepatic growth factor, tumor necrosis factor, interleukin 6, norepinephrine. These type of organ substance, it helps to regenerate the cells. You already know blood supply from hepatic artery. It has high amount of oxygen, but it has low amount of nutrient. But this portal vein, which has low amount of oxygen, but it has high nutrient. These are all the nutrients which helps liver to regenerate. Thank you.